So you have a great new product idea. Congratulations, but now what? In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your great new product idea and turn it into a product people will love. You learn all the steps that are necessary to go from idea stage all the way through concept design, market research, manufacturing, and everything in between. So whether you are just starting out or have been working on your product for years, this video is for you. Hey, but before we jump right into the topic, please pause the video, hit that like and subscribe. This helps us to develop more valuable content for you. It all starts with just an idea. It may be that sudden eureka or aha moment, or you may get there gradually. But the first step of the process is to turn that rough thought into a well-developed idea, the one that will be worth pursuing. The first stage is called product discovery. This is the stage where that idea gets polished, refined, and prepared for product design and engineering. First, research the landscape in front of your idea. This includes researching existing patents, similar products on the market, and evaluating what you're going to be putting yourself against with your idea. That may also include analyzing your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, so you would know exactly what's going to be ahead of you. Second, think about who will actually benefit from your product. In other words, who's going to be your target customer. This is important because you want to make sure there is a market for your product. Third, based on your research findings, you will need to define the specific parameters of your product. This includes fleshing out features and specifications for your future product and what actually makes it unique. All this research will give you an idea of whether your product is worth pursuing and what it will take it to reality. The next step is the concept design. This is the stage where you take your refined and well-defined idea and give it a visual form. This typically includes 3D models, drawings, and renderings. The main goal of this stage is to see how your future product will look like and how to put it together. You may also use it to get feedback from the potential customers, investors, manufacturers, partners, and other experts in the field. Once you're happy with your conceptual design, it's time to take it from the virtual world to the real one. I'm talking about prototyping, probably the most exciting part of the process. The main goal of prototyping is to test the design and functionality of your product and make sure that it satisfies all the requirements. But it's also a great opportunity to figure out how to make your product better or less expensive. Prototyping can be done in a variety of ways, starting from simple cardboard prototypes to more refined 3D printed prototypes and CNC machined ones. The fidelity and the level of quality of your prototype depends on what you're trying to test and how you're planning to use the prototype. After you tested and refined your prototype and you're happy with its performance and appearance, it may be a good time to file a patent application. At the same time, you may start thinking about how to manufacture your product. That typically includes finding a manufacturing company, sourcing materials and components, and figuring out how to set up the cost-efficient manufacturing. While your product is being built, you may start working on the marketing materials that you will need to launch your product. These typically include designing your packaging, producing your promo videos, and starting the social media buzz. This brings us to the final stage of the product development process, launching your new product. This is the stage where you start selling the product and getting feedback from your customers to further improve your product. Congratulations, you've made it from product idea to the actual product on the market. This is it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.
For more information, visit us at lanpdt.com or call directly at 318-243-5789.